Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use new messenger notes feature and how to get notes. So the process is very easy and simple, so let's get started. So this feature is just like Instagram notes and it performs same function. So what you're gonna do is go to Play Store and let's check if we are updated on Messenger. So let's do that. Let's open Play Store. So once we are here, what we're gonna do is type Messenger in the search bar. So at the second, we will click on that. And as you can see, there's open option for me. So I have already updated. If you see update option here, so you need to click on that and wait for it to update. So what I'm gonna do is open as I'm already updated. So let's do that. So once you are here, you will see at the top with my profile picture, there is your note button. So I click on the plus button. And here you can see there's option to add new note. So you can type anything. So let's type something. After you're done typing, what you're gonna do is press on share on the top right corner. So let's do that. And as you can see, here's my new note that can be seen by my friends. But if I want to delete that, what you're gonna do is click on that. And as you can see, we can see option here at the bottom, delete note. And after pressing remove, it will be removed from here. So that's it guys, this process was very easy and simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.